The CHARMS record card is a simple way to extract information from a child, family or staff record in an easy-to-read and shareable format. For example, generating a family annual review document, a child's placement history, or sharing carer logs. In this video, we'll be using a child's record card, so we'll go to a child's CHARMS record now. The record card will open in a new tab in your browser, and you will notice a selection of tick boxes, which will be ticked by default. Each of these tick boxes represent a section of the child, family or staff record. A ticked box means it will be included in the record card. Clicking the Select or Deselect button will tick or untick every option, useful if you wish to include just small parts of the CHARMS record. You will notice that the sections here on the record card reflect the sections of the child's CHARMS record. We'll generate a report from the record card based on this child's placement history and personal information that we can then share via the CHARMS portal. For placement history, leaving the date range empty will include all placements, or if we wanted a particular time frame, we could enter that here. We'll leave it empty to return them all. Once we've made our selection, we'll click Filter to refine our results. When we scroll down, we'll see that the record card now only shows placement history and their personal information. From this point, we could either save the record card to Progress, which would make an editable Word file of the filtered record card, print the record off physically onto paper or PDF, or send the filtered record card via the portal, which is what we'll do now by clicking Send via Portal. We'll decide if we want the document to be read-only, then select our recipient and click Send. The screen will refresh and a confirmation message will appear. A copy of the shared record card will also be saved to the child's progress. If your organisation utilises the record card frequently, you may find that creating a template can speed up the record card generating process. To set up a template, navigate to the main menu and under Other Options, click Admin Settings. Click on the relevant record type. Select the type of template you require, then tick all sections of the record that you wish to include by default when users run this template. Certain sections can have more detail added. For example, within the carer log section, you can choose a time period from the drop-down menu. Click Close to save. These sections of the record will now appear automatically when users select this template in the record card.